Before getting started with the RadStar Alpha ISN integration, you must have an active Radon Management Cloud account and a company administrator user login for RadStarCRM.com. You will also need your ISN login and your access keys. Find these by logging in to ISN and going to Settings, My Access Keys. Here you will see the domain, company key, access key, and secret access key. Start by updating your ISN Office Settings by going into Settings, Office Settings, and scroll down until you see RadonAway RadStar Alpha under Working with Other Applications. Then turn it on by checking the box Use RadonAway. You can choose which inspection order types you would like to automatically sync with the Radon Management Cloud by checking the box Only Send RadonAway mobile app information for the following order types. You can also do the same with services by checking Only Send RadonAway mobile app information for the following services. Click Save. Next, log on to the Radon Management Cloud with your administrator login. Go to Settings, My Company Info. Scroll down and check the box ISN Integration On, Off. Enter your domain and company key. Then scroll up and click Save Changes. To set up each user profile, go to My Profile and scroll down to the ISN login. Enter that user's ISN access key and ISN secret access key. Then click Test Connection. If the connection is successful, scroll up and click Save Changes. The order types you selected in your office settings will sync with the Radon Management Cloud every 2 hours. But you can also make orders available immediately. For an order you wish to make available, go to View Order Form. Click Actions. And click Send to RadStar Alpha. A dialog box will ask if you want to send to RadonAway. Click Yes, and you'll see a confirmation message that it is sent successfully. To start an ISN test using the RMC mobile app, log into the RMC mobile app on your mobile device and connect to the RadStar. If ISN integration is turned on, you will see the green Create Test button. Click it and select the ISN order for which you are creating the test. Click Start Test. To end an ISN test from the mobile app, after having done the procedure demonstrated, log into the RMC mobile app, connect to the RadStar, and select End Test. Then select Sync Test. This uploads your test results to the RMC and takes you to the report template. Click the green button Post Report to ISN, which will generate the official Radon report and post it to the order in ISN as an attachment. To post the report to ISN from the RMC web app, log into the Radon Management Cloud. Look under Manage Tests to find the test for which you want to post the official report PDF to ISN. View the test. If ISN integration is turned on for your company, there will be a green button labeled Post Report to ISN. Click this to post the official Radon report PDF to your ISN order.